Hello everyone. Today let's see what are the essential things that are required for cutting and chopping. So these are some stuffs which I use in my kitchen for cutting. So first of all I'll be using two cutting boards. So this bigger one I usually use for cutting bigger vegetables and fruits which are of large quantities. So this is the smaller cutting board which I usually use more frequently in my kitchen, and this usually I'll use for cutting ginger, chilies, garlic, and those tiny vegetables. So these are the two cutting boards that I have, and then I have only two knives. So I'm not a crazy fan of all kind of like big many sets of knives. So I just have two knives. And similar to cutting boards, I'll be using the bigger one for bigger vegetables and the smaller one for cutting the small things like ginger, garlic, and chopping coriander leaves. So as I said, I'm not a crazy fan of many knives, so I have this one. This one I got from Daiso, so it is less than $2. So what I use is this a knife sharpener. So whenever my knife becomes blunt, so I just sharpen it with this. I have to run over this for some 10 times up front and backwards, and then I just wash it, and then my knife comes again to the sharpness. So this is what I use for my knife. So I don't use many knives in my kitchen. And then I have this peeler for peeling all the skins, for carrot, potatoes, and whichever I use. And then I have this one. So this is basically for grating. So I have in this two sets of grating. One is for of smaller size, and the other one is of bigger size. So according to your dishes, you can make whatever you want. And this one is for slicing. So sometimes I use this for making chips, and sometimes I use this for making cheese slices, etc. And then I have this bowl. So whenever I do cutting, I put all the fresh like cut vegetables into this bowl. So I keep this handy because I don't want to create a mess here in the cutting board, and then you don't have the space to cut. So whenever it is filled, I just put it in the bowl, and then I start cutting with an ease. So last but not the least, I have this newspaper with me always. So I have a bunch of newspaper in my kitchen. So what I usually do is whenever I'm cutting, as soon as I'm going to cut, I'll just keep this one. And trust me guys, so whenever you cut, just put the vegetables here and put all the waste here, and you don't have to clean anything, just wrap it around and put it in dustbin. So this is one thing which is really helpful for me, and I don't create any mess in my kitchen. So these are the simple things, and these are the only things that I use in my kitchen for having a smart cutting and chopping things.